Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Howard Hanna open houses, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Howard Hanna open houses, start by logging into your Howard Hanna agent portal. Navigate to the open houses section on the dashboard. Select the option to create a new open house. Enter the property details, including the address, date, and time of the open house. Make sure to include any special instructions or notes for potential visitors. Add high-quality images of the property to attract more interest. Review the details to ensure everything is accurate. Save your changes to create the open house listing. Once saved, you'll receive a confirmation that the open house has been added. You can view your upcoming open houses in the calendar section. If needed, go back to edit the open house details or make adjustments. Share the open house information on your social media channels for greater exposure. Consider printing flyers or signs to distribute in the neighborhood. Monitor RSVPs if your platform offers that feature. Be prepared for the event by ensuring the property is clean and ready for visitors. On the day of the open house, arrive early to set up and greet guests. Keep a sign-in sheet to capture visitor information for future follow-ups. Engage with visitors, answer questions, and highlight the property's best features. After the open house, follow up with attendees to gather feedback and gauge interest. Reflect on the open house to improve future events and strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.